G'day, mate! Diving into Australian English idioms. G'day learners! In today's video, we're going to journey down under and explore the colorful world of Australian English idioms. These phrases give a unique flavor to Aussie speech and provide a glimpse into their culture. Buckle up, and let's dive in. Australian English, while rooted in British English, has evolved over the years, influenced by Indigenous languages, climate, wildlife, and the Aussie way of life. Idioms often come from everyday experiences and can be a window into a nation's soul. 1. Fair dinkum. This means genuine or real. For instance, is he fair dinkum about moving to Sydney? 2. She'll be right, an assurance that everything will be okay. Don't worry about the car, she'll be right. 3. Going walkabout. Originally from Aboriginal culture, this means to go on a journey of spiritual awakening. Nowadays, it's also used informally to mean someone is wandering without a clear direction. 4. Have a Captain Cook. This means to have a look. Can I have a Captain Cook at your book? 5. Spit the dummy, to get very upset or throw a tantrum. He spit the dummy when his team lost. 6. Up the creek without a paddle, to be in a difficult situation without any solutions. If we don't finish this project, we're up the creek without a paddle. Like with all idioms, context is king. The more you listen to native speakers and practice using these in context, the better. 1. Try to use a new idiom in a sentence each day. 2. Watch Australian movies or TV shows to hear them in natural conversation. 3. Chat with Aussie friends or language partners and ask them to correct you. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Alright, learners, we've taken a whirlwind tour of Australian idioms. Remember, language isn't just words and grammar. It's also culture, history, and spirit. By understanding and using these idioms, you'll not only improve your English but also get a deeper appreciation for the Aussie way of life. Cheers, and hope this video's been as fun for you as a kangaroo hop. Catch ya later.